Mercedes just officially killed the Jelly Bean era. This is the 2027 Mercedes-Benz C-Class EV, and it looks like a proper Mercedes again. It's got a longer wheelbase, short overhangs, and a backlit star pattern grille that looks like it's from 2030, but it's the numbers that really matter. 400 miles of range and a charging speed that rivals a petrol fill-up. Welcome back to DRX AUTO MOBI. Today, we're finding out if the new C-Class is the car that finally makes us forget about the Tesla Model 3. This isn't a converted petrol car. It's built on the MBUX platform. The C400 4MATIC uses dual motors. The real secret is the 2-speed transmission on the rear axle. First gear gives you that 3.9-second punch off the line, while second gear cruises at highway speeds with incredible efficiency. Combined with a 94.5 kilowatt battery, delivers a massive 400 miles of real-world range. And because it's an 800-volt system, you can gain 200 miles of range in just 10 minutes, literally enough time to grab a coffee. Inside, it's a mini S-Class. You get the full MBUX hyperscreen setup. But now with AI integration, including ChatGPT-4o and even Google Gemini to help you manage your day, the seats feature a massage function across the entire backrest. And the Burmeister 4D sound system actually vibrates your seat to the beat of the music. It even has a 101-liter frunk, large enough for a carry-on suitcase. Finally proven. Mercedes knows how to package an EV. Comfort was clearly the priority. The airmatic suspension is optional, and it actually reads the road ahead, adjusting the dampers before you even hit a pothole. It also introduces City Pro, which handles point-to-point navigation through heavy city traffic almost entirely on its own. With the optional 4.5-degree rear axle steering, this thing maneuvers in tight parking lots better than a smart car. It's the most relaxed C-Class ever made. The 2027 C-Class EV is exactly what the brand needed. It's elegant, it's insanely fast charging, and it's packed with tech that actually works. Is this better than the BMW i3? Let us know in the comments. Like and subscribe for DRX AUTO MOBI. Catch you in the next one.